up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for this video we will talk about the books that I bought from Amazon. I'm super excited. I decided to make this video in English because all the books that I bought are in English, so I thought that would make more sense. So I'm super excited for this video. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and let's get started. Also, happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone celebrating. Enjoy with your loved ones, and yeah, just such a beautiful festival. I love Raksha Bandhan. I have 3 brothers, so I feel lucky on Raksha Bandhan. Anyway, so let's get started. So the first book I bought is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anna Frank, of course. So Anna Frank is definitely the most discussed Jewish teenager of Holocaust. Anna Frank got her first diary on her 13th birthday, and then she started writing everything which she felt, all the, how hard it must have been to hide from the Nazis and just hide in this small area with other Jewish families. And she started writing her feelings, just her basic teenager thoughts, alongside with the fear of being caught and being killed by Nazis. I can't even imagine how it must have been. So she started writing on her birthday, like 12th June 1942, and the diary stops on 1st August 1944. Unfortunately, they were caught, their family was caught, and they were sent to construction camps. So yeah, it's a tragic journal of a young teenager who was caught and killed by Nazis, but she did die because of typhus, fever. But yeah, of course, in the construction camps, but she did not die in the gas chambers like a lot of other Jews. And also, I would request you guys to check Schindler's List. It's a beautiful movie about the Holocaust. Thank you so much, Gurpreet, for suggesting me. So yeah, this was the first book that I bought. I'm super excited to read it, and I know I will have so many emotions while reading it, but it's definitely a must read. It's just one diary that we are reading, so this is what it looks like. According to date and everything. The second book that I bought is, I'm actually reading it, and I've already almost finished it. A History of Sikhs by Khushwant Singh. This means so much to me because it is about my own religion. So this volume is from 1469 to 1839. So from the birth of Sikhism to Punjab, a small description of all our 10 gurus, and then Banda Singh Bahadur, rise and fall of Banda Singh Bahadur, and then Afghan invasions, all those 9 Afghan invasions, Ahmad Shah Abdali, all the torture that our gurus went through along with their followers is just heartbreaking. And so, like, it made me so angry how cruel people were. The mills, rise and falls of the mills, the Khalsa army, and from the birth to the death of Maharaja Ranjit Singh Ji. So it has everything. It does have some maps, it also has some photographs, and you do get proof of the research from where the those segments are taken. So this is the second book that I bought. The third book is the second part of this series, which is The History of Sikhs, and this is the second edition, volume 2nd, and it is from 1839 to 2004. Now I haven't read it yet, and this starts with Punjab after the death of Maharaja Ranjit Singh Ji, and then we have Anglo-Sikh Wars, Anglo-Sikh War 1, 2, then Punjab under British invasion and British control, Sikhs in the World War 1 and World War 2, their history, and then we also have Operation Blue Star and a lot of other things. So yeah, this is all the history we will get in this book. Feel free to take screenshots if you want. So look at this packaging, it's so shiny, so beautiful. So this is the other book that I bought. It is 100 greatest short stories from various artists. So why I bought this is because you will get a taste of writing style of various authors, and then you can pick their individual books or bigger books, So yeah, it's a great way to start, and I think it's a great book to gift because it has short stories from so many authors. So you can get a taste of each and every author that is in this book, and later you can buy the famous novels and just look into their writing style if you like it. If you find this interesting, you can buy this book. Feel free to take screenshots if you want. So yeah. This is Robin Sharma's Who Will Cry When You Die. So I know the title is very like, oh, it's so depressing and this and that, but it is very ironic because the book itself is very uplifting, inspiring and motivational. तो अगर आपको कोई ऐसी बुक चाहिए जो आपको अच्छी एडवाइस दे अबाउट लाइफ एंड जस्ट हैप्पी थिंग्स एंड जस्ट इंस्पायर यू, then this is a really nice book to go for. And अभी मैं इसके अंदर का आपको contents दिखा दूंगी. And of course मैंने अभी नहीं read किया है, but मैंने बहुत amazing reviews देखे थे, and that's why I bought it. And it is very tiny, by the way. It is super tiny. And these are the contents. आप इनकी screenshots भी ले सकते हैं. Okay. ये मैं read नहीं करूँगी, obviously I don't want to use it because I have to gift it. तो आप इसके वो भी ले सकते हैं, क्या कहते हैं, screenshot ले लीजिए अगर आपको लगता है कि if you are interested in reading it, then you can. And the last book I bought, of course, Dracula by Bram Stoker. I am so excited to read it. Look at this. Ooh, look at this packaging. It's so sleek, it's so beautiful. I love black color. I just love black color so much, and I love everything which is dark themed, like dark gothic, horror, mysteries, murder, fantasy. Like I just love that genre, and this is incredible. I love vampires and vampire fantasies. The first series that I ever saw was the Vampire Diaries. Like that is my first series, and it has a special place in my heart. That series is incredible. I think you should definitely watch it if you haven't seen Vampire Diaries yet. And this is the novel that started it all. This is what made the whole Dracula and vampire theme famous. So this is the book that made that genre famous, and I'm so excited to read it. It all started from here. The novel introduced the character of Count Dracula, who was traveling from Transylvania to England in search of new blood, and yeah, his fights and all that, and I'm so excited to read it. I thought this would be the writing style would be like a story, like a continuous story, but no, the writing style is very unusual because it is a series of letters and journal and diaries. That's how you get the story, and that's how you will read a story. It's not a continuous one story. So this is the content of the book. So yeah, those were all the books that I bought from Amazon. I'm super excited, and I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and let me know what you want me to post next. Please do subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. You can just subscribe it, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell. So please don't forget to do that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, spread love, peace and Sat Sri Akal. Bye bye.